Hey guys, Manic Marketer. Just wanted to stop and say thank you so much for all the support on here, on Facebook, Instagram. I know it's only been a couple of weeks, but it's been phenomenal. Everybody coming out and saying thank you, and I appreciate it. I did create a new intro to the videos today. I hope you like them. Today's video is the start of our Shopify series. So if you have any questions, make sure you reach out in the comments. Let me know on Facebook or on Instagram. I'm going to get off here, stop talking, and enjoy the video. Hello and welcome to this video showing you how to start your very own Shopify store. Before we get started, please note that Shopify does give you a 14-day free trial, so you can get started today without any cost. There will be a link in the description below for that. That link will take you to the front page, and we need to click Start Free Trial. Type in your information, your email address, a password, and the store name. This name does not matter. We will be changing it once we figure out what brand name we want to go with and we buy your domain. But for now, I just put my name and store. You just don't need your brand name yet. Now we just click Create Store. You should see this screen saying sit tight. We're creating your store, applying store settings. Success. Your store is ready to go. Are you already selling? Now, if you're new to this, that's a no. $0 revenue, just getting started. Next up, putting in our data. This is going to get blurred out. I just don't want to give away my personal information. After you finish this, you'll end at your Shopify admin panel. In future videos, you will hear me say Shopify admin panel. This is what I'm referring to. You can navigate anywhere using the left-hand menu. Now, again, in future videos, we'll go through each section and describe everything in detail, but this video is just to get you started. Now, you may have seen other videos create the legal pages, but I want you to hold off on that for now. When we make your brand name and buy your domain, that's when we'll create the pages for your refund policy, your privacy policy, and your terms of service. For now, we're going to leave that empty. Last section, our analytics dashboard. This is where you're going to go for your day-to-day information, your conversion rates, how many people went to the website, how much money you in products you sold, and that's going to be like the page that you go to every time you load up your admin panel. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more training on the Shopify platform. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can find me on Facebook or Instagram. Those links will be in the description. I'll see you in the next video.